morning, Mr. Lies geography classes. I was told I sound very bored when I do these, so I'm sounding excited. All right. For the Mexico map on Friday, March 27th, I want to give you guys a few options as to how to complete this. Just make sure your assignment is in class notebook. So again, go to your name. I'm just going to use Aiden as an example again. Click on your name, click homework, and then hit that plus page at the bottom, and then create a new homework assignment. Title this one Mexico Map. So here are all your Mexico map items. We have some political map items, which would be your cities, sometimes states, but in this case, we're not going to do any of the Mexican states. And then we have physical map items like rivers. We have a volcano, a peninsula, which is like a three-sided a land feature surrounded by water on three sides. We have two mountain ranges, an isthmus, which is a land bridge, so in a plateau, an island. So we have a lot of different physical map features to do for this one because, like I said, on my website, Mexico is a land of diversity. So here is the Mexico map. What you're going to do with that map is you're going to right click on it and copy it, and then go back to your homework assignment. Right click. It's gonna you're gonna have to hit Control V in order to paste in class notebook. And so here is your Mexico map. Now it's up to you as to how you want to do this next. If you want to hit the draw feature, you can write everything out. So once you find Tijuana, which a lot of you guys probably know is right up in the corner here. It's right by California. You can put a little dot there, and then you can label it. Tijuana. So that'd be one way to do it. Just kind of experimenting with this. That was a little more time consuming than I'm used to. Um, so you can do that if you want. Otherwise, what you can do is not add the picture into class notebook. Let's just say we didn't add this, so I'm going to delete it. Let's just say for sake of this assignment, you did not add that picture like I just did. Another way that I'd recommend you do is to go back to the picture under your assignments, Mexico map, right click it, save as. Now for my computer, it opened it down at the bottom there. So here's the image. I'm going to save as again because it's not titled like I want it. It says get image.png. I don't want it titled that. I want to be able to find it. So I'm going to hit save as the Mexico map. And I'm just going to save it right to my desktop. Exit out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Paint. And then you can do the entire assignment in Paint if you would like. File, open. And then I'm going to go and find my Mexico map on the desktop. And there you go. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Right there is good. And you can use paint as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the text. So I'm going to go over to the A right here, hit that, and just type in Tijuana. Make that text box a little bit bigger here so we can see. And then add a little dot by it. So that would probably be the easiest way, is just to take it into Microsoft Paint and use the text feature in order to complete it. But if you want to do it in Class Notebook as far as using the drawing tools, you can. It's up to you. Then if you are doing it on Paint like this, you need to be able to get it back into Class Notebook. So what you're going to do is just constantly save it as you go. So I hit save. Then once you're done, you're going to exit out. You're going to go back to your homework assignment. Then go to Insert, Picture, from File. I'm going to go find my Mexico map.